Hey guys, Trin Nakano here from Slanted Marketing. Today I'm going to jump in and talk about, show you how to create a basic sales funnel with LeadPages. So what is exactly in a sales funnel? Well, you will have a landing page somewhere where you can offer like a lead magnet or a headline that captures your audience's attention to say, yes, I want to learn more, or yes, give me that free product or whatever it is that you're offering. It could be free training, it could be a free course, it could be a free book, whatever it is, or you're just offering like a free video or something like that, but it's something that grabs your audience attention that you're promoting when they click on your link. Okay, and then it takes you to an opt-in box or opt-in page where your audience puts in their name and their email address or phone number, whatever information or details that you're trying to grab from your leads, from your prospects. And I do recommend highly using a thank you page, whether it is a standard thank you page that you're thanking them, that confirming with them that you received their email and advising of the next steps, or providing a video confirmation video or thank you video once they opt in to because they had exchanged information to get the sales video, whatever that you're trying to offer. So I highly recommend that. But some people don't do that, which is fine. But it actually puts you uh, an advantage by doing that. Okay, and then once they watch the video or they go to the thank you page, there should be a button that takes them to the next step, which is the sales video. This is where they'll see a sales video from your company or that you had put together for them to see or watch, and then they can go ahead and opt in from that point. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna go with I'm using LeadPages, so I'm gonna go to LeadPages to build this simple sales funnel with you. Okay, all right. So so I am in sales funnel as LeadPages right now. I'm gonna go ahead and click on create new page here. And sometimes LeadPages can be very slow, just depending. And there are tons of templates, as you can see in here. And really, the simplest one usually do the best. I'm going to go ahead and actually take my face out so you can see the whole screen so you don't miss anything. So that's not what I wanted. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I think that did that. I'm not sure. Well, anyways, never mind. We'll just go ahead and start building. Okay, so I'm gonna call this anything really, just basic sales funnel, just for the purpose of this video here. All right. So I'm using this template, and then I'm gonna say free video reviews. I'll just say free video. It's fine. Okay, and then you can use the exact template that you want. You can change the picture in the back, but for the simplicity of this, I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And these boxes basically means, it's a section of the page, and you can edit and delete it however you want to. And then I'll just say the free video reviews. How to quit your 9 to 5 job in 90 days or less, something like that, right? Okay. Then I can change this and say, yes, show me how, and you can do dot 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 or whatever you want to do. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave that back there. I can I can bold this, I can make it bigger, size here, do this shorter. And you can change the font to whatever you want it to be. You want to make it look the same and congruent and with each other, so it's more appealing to people when they opt in and they look at it, and it looks very clean. So I'm gonna do it together. See, that looks better, but I'm gonna do see, bold. Okay, bold. Perfect. Okay, and then this button here, you can just click on it and you can edit to whatever you want to say. Okay, so now this is the part where you're gonna use a little bit of gonna be a little bit technical. So what you do is once you click on this button right here, this display button will pop up, and then you're gonna click on this icon over here on the right, and that is to and then you're gonna click on View and Edit. Now this is where you're gonna ask for their email or their names and things like that. So this form on the left hand side will appear. The first part is the integration part, because I'm using Aweber to integrate my email marketing autoresponder with LeadPages. I want to integrate that. So I'm going to go down here and click on Add Integration, and I'm going to click on Aweber. And from there, once you already set it up, it's going to have the list. So I'm going to refresh this here. And I can just choose any, really, once it's done. Here, and then I'll have all of this. So I'm going to go ahead and do the force factor one here, and click Done. And then click Next. And it'll take you to the fields page here. This is where you're gonna add a field to grab your leads information. So email is one of the mandatory items that are in there, so it's already pre-set for you. And I like to grab people's names, so that way I can get personal with them and get to know them by name and whatnot. So first name, and I'm gonna make it a required field, so I'm gonna check that box right there. And sometimes I'll put the validation, just please enter your first name, your name, okay? And I'm going to click Done up here. Now I'm going to move my first name up, because that way it is more clean that way, okay? And then click on Next, because you want to grab their name first and then their email. It's just, and then so here is where you're going to be saying, okay, once you grab my name, my information, where do you want to send me? So if you already created a thank you page, which I already did, I'm going to go ahead and use that. I'm going to go ahead and click down here, and it's going to, within LeadPages, it's going to search down to all the pages that I've done, and then I can choose and select from them. So I'm going to click on the confirmation thank you that I have made. So all of those 3 steps are done. So I'm going to click on Save and Close. Okay, so you can actually also change the way this look as well too. If you click on labels, you can say that could be on the outside or the inside. I like it being inside, so it's more clean and more space, so it's not so crowded. And then you can also change the color of the font as well too, and the font and whatnot. Okay, so you can change the color of the box here and the way it looks. Maybe. Okay, let's see. This thing is blocking my see. Okay, I'm not going to change that. It's not letting me because of the screen that I'm doing here. Okay, so let me go ahead and skip that. Okay, so here, the actions. Okay, so we are done. I'm going to go ahead and publish this. Okay, and I'll go to my thank you page and I'll show you exactly what I did, so you can take a look at. So this is published. Ensure to get the free, get access to instant access. Okay. Get instant access. I forgot about the title here. Okay. Something like that. Update it. Now, once you update it, it's going to give you the option to view page, and you can test it out to make sure that it worked correctly. And you're going to click on view pages here, and this is what it will look like, to somebody. So, and then once they click yes, show me how, then it comes to this page right here to opt in. Okay. Now, once I'm going to go ahead and test here, and right, and get my free report, and it takes me to my thank you page here. See, thank you, you're all set. Your email has been verified. Here, I created a thank you video in here, and then it'll take, and here when you create this video, this is going to take me to my next page, which is my sales video that I had created. So you can do all kinds of stuff with like a simple sales video, or a sales video that your company has provided. So that's basically how you create your sales funnel. So once you have your capture page or your landing page, then everything else will kind of be easy. The technical part is basically the integration, and you can see how simple it was to do that. And that's it. And for the time's sake, I will go ahead and end this video now. But if you guys have any questions on how to build your landing page, or your thank you page, or your your sales funnel, feel free to let me know, and I'll be happy to help you with any of that. All right. So hopefully you found this valuable and helpful in any way, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.